for that, Mom.
Can you blow out the candle?
Blow out your candle, honey.
Make a wish.
Come on, blow it out.
Blow it.
Yay! There you go. What a big girl. Uh-oh, now it's time for your cake. Are you going to give her her cake, Mommy?
Yes, I am going to give her a cake.
Oh my goodness.
Your cake. You remember this.
Can you hand her a fork, sweetheart, from behind you?
Yes.
Well, you'll be surprised. She'll use her fork pretty well.
Never let Michelle touch something.
What is that, Elle?
Is that your birthday cake?
Yay!
What's that? Oh, honey. Yeah. Here, we're going to keep that over here. There you go. That's your cake. Is there a little fork?
At the end of the first semester.
Do you want your little spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, let her try a little fork.
I'm going to try with the...
Here, I'll get your fork too.
Here.
Well, she's enjoying that frosting.
Can you go into
Fork
it?
or spoon?
No, you just want to use your finger? You can use your finger if you want, Elle.
Yeah. Give me your finger.
Is that cake?
Plastic one.
Yeah.
Ella.
Want to try
Is
plastic
that-
fork?
Oh, is that good?
Wow.
Let me get back to you.
Can you cut it for me?
I want her to.
Ella.
Did
Is that your happy birthday cake? That's your happy birthday cake.
Did she say this is my happy birthday cake? Yes!
It's shooting right now.
Another one.
Oh, wait. Let's both them down.
Yeah,
What is
what?
it, Ella? What is that?
Can
I
you
have a
take a
bite?
big bite of cake?
Hey, can I have a bite of your cake? Can you have a bite? How about Mommy? Can Mommy have a bite?
Can I have a bite of cake?
No. Happy birthday, Ella.
That's okay.
Happy birthday, Ella.
How about second?
Thank you. What is that, Ella? You're doing pretty good.
And then I came back again.
Are you going to eat it all?
And then I came back.
Did Heather drive by herself?
No, that's probably a good thing not to eat it all.
A pack of it.
Mmm. Num 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 num. Num 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 num.
I checked that the Red's an expert here. 40 feet on the Yeah, I think you had yours at 46.
I was really hungry. I might have
She's got nice
Got
long
that.
legs.
Got that.
I've seen her since, what, 8? I have not seen Ella since 5 months old.
What do you think of that?
so good to meet you.
Yum 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 yum
I love my cake. I love that.
Yeah.